Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about my Aurangabad and Ellora tour. So disclaimer is that this was before COVID, so you cannot find any mask in this video. So we'll go into the video. At first we have landed at Aurangabad. Our first day we have gone to Ajanta. There is already a video on Ajanta in my channel. If you missed that will be in my description box below. In the second day of our tour, we have covered Panchakki, Bibi Ka Maqbara, Daulatabad Fort, Ellora and Grihadishwar Temple. So early in the morning, we had a big South Indian dosa and started our tour with Panchakki. So Panchakki is known as a water mill located in Aurangabad, displays the scientific thought process put in medieval Indian architecture. It was designed to generate energy via water brought down from a spring on a mountain. The new building attached to the Dargah of Baba Shah Musafir or Sufi saint is located in a garden near the Muhammad Darwaza. It consists of a mosque, a madrasa, which means a college for Islamic instruction, a kacheri, a minister's house, a sarai, and houses for zananas. Dating back to the 17th century, this ingenious water mill was designed to use the energy generated by flowing water from a nearby spring to turn the large grinding stones of the floor mill. The water mill was used to grind grains for the pilgrims and disciples of saints. The water mill is kept fed with sufficient water by an underground conduct, which commences from a well just above the junction of the Harsal River with a tributary stream 8 kilometers away. After crossing the tributary stream near its confluence with Harsal River, this water pipe proceeds to the Panchakki reservoir. The arrangement is such that the water is made to fall into the Panchakki cistern from quite a height in order to generate the necessary power to drive the mill. The cistern lies in front of the mosque, whose bottom forms the roof of a spacious hall. A huge banyan tree on the southern margin of the reservoir provides shade and adds beauty to the whole scene. In the northwest corner, adjacent to the cistern, is a water mill driven entirely by water power. It is said that in the olden days, grain could be ground without physical effort.
Hi guys, now what you're seeing here is the Bibi Ka Maqbara in Aurangabad, which was built by Aurangzeb on the death of his wife Rabia. So it just looks same as Taj Mahal because Aurangzeb is the fourth son of the Shah Jahan. So
Bibi Ka Maqbara, Tomb of the Lady. It is the largest structure that Aurangzeb has to his credit. It is located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India. It was commissioned in 1660 by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in the memory of his first wife Rabia-ud-Dawrani. It bears a striking resemblance to the Taj Mahal, the mausoleum of Aurangzeb's mother Mumtaz Mahal. The comparison to the Taj Mahal has often obscured its very own considerable charm. The marble for this mausoleum was brought from mines near Jaipur. Due to this strong resemblance, it is also called as Dakkani Taj, which means Taj of the Deccan. So Bibi Ka Maqbara is the principal monument of Aurangabad and its historic city. So through this video, you all got to know about Panchakki and Bibi Ka Maqbara. In my next video, you may know about Ellora and Daulatabad Fort in Aurangabad. So until then, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.